Hey, you want the ball? Sit up. There you go. See the bucket? Can you put the ball in the bucket? Put the ball in the bucket. Put the ball in the bucket. Bucket. Get this here. Oh. Put the ball in the bucket. You're not listening to me. Hey, look. Put the ball in the bucket. The ball is in the bucket. Out. Amy got the ball out of the bucket. Yay, Amy! Can you put the ball in the bucket? Ball? Put the ball in the bucket. Can you put the ball in the bucket? Go ahead, put the ball in the bucket. Yay, Amy! Amy put the ball in the bucket. Yeah. Take the ball out. Can you take the ball out? Out! The ball is out of the bucket. In. The ball is in the bucket. Out. Can you make the ball light up? In the bucket. The ball is in the bucket. Yay, Amy! You trying to make it light up? Here, Mommy will get it for you. Ooh. It lights up. Say lights. Lights. Uh-oh, where'd they go? Where did the lights go? Can you roll the ball to Mommy? Amy, can you roll the ball? Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey, you don't need that. You don't need, that's a plastic bag. You don't need a plastic bag. Oh, you're making a mess. Give me that. Those are clothes. Most of them aren't even yours. Most of them are your cousin's. And that's definitely not yours. I think that's Uncle Nate's. Oh, yep, that's Uncle Nate's lanyard. What are you doing with Uncle's lanyard? That is not yours. Amy. Amy, give me Uncle's thing. Give it here. Amy, give it here. Thank you. That is not yours. That's not yours. Here. Lights. Yeah, the ball lights up. Is it pretty?